boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a nice song here from Imagine Dragons and Baker Boy. The song is called Take Me to the Beach. Alright, so let's go into this tutorial, and the setup here will be a capo placed on the 3rd fret. That is the best scenario for us, and we will go over the chords. We have one main pattern in the song that goes pretty much through the entire song except from a bridge part. We'll come to that later. But first, chords that we usually do. We're going to start with A minor. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have D minor as well. So that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have E. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the C. And that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's start from the beginning with this main pattern, and we're going to start with A minor. And that part goes like this. Okay, so you're going to start with open A, and then you're going to pick 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B together. Then open E, the bass. And then again, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B together. And a clap. And then open A. And again, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B together with a clap. Then we'll come to the next part. It's based upon the F chord. We will not use the full chord, so therefore we have no point of going through the full chord, the bar chord. We're just gonna have some notes from it. So you're gonna pick the 1st fret E string, and then you're gonna pick 2nd G and open B together. That's the F part, and then the D minor. Just a pick like that, and that is the open D together with 2nd G. And then you go over to the E part. You're gonna pick 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, and open B together. And then 2nd D, 1st G, and open B together. Then open E in the bass. And then 2nd D, 1st G, and open B together. And the clap. And then you're gonna pick open E together with 2nd D, 1st G, and open B together. And then 2nd D, 1st G, and open B together. Then a clap. And then the final part, open E. And then 2nd D, 1st G, and open B together. And you do that again. And that's the end of it. So I'm gonna take you through this from the beginning till the end, and it sounds like this in a slow tempo. That is the main round. Standard tempo, something like this. That is the main part, and we spoke about the bridge before. This is where we're gonna go through that, and it's very easy. We're gonna play 1 down per chord, and it happens about 2 minutes in, okay? So at 2 minutes in the song, you're gonna play 1 down per chord. You're gonna play D minor 2 times, then C 2 times, and then D minor again 2 times, then C 1 time, and E 1 time, and then back to main. You have the notes now, and you can play around with it a little bit, put some extra notes here and there. As long as you stay within this, you will be safe and it will sound great. So, hope you enjoyed, guys. Imagine Dragons, Take Me to the Beach. Play tuned.